On this Mori Seiki machine with the Fanuc 21i, we're going to see how to trace a PLC signal. Let's go to System, PMC Diagnosis, Trace. We're going to go through Setting. We're going to do the sampling with a signal transition with 8 milliseconds of with resolution, and the maximum frame is going to be 1965-75, which is the maximum. We are not going to use a stop condition. We are going to sampling condition. We have set the trigger using in this case the clamping signal. This is the. Let me check. If I'm not wrong, this is the clamping signal or the C phase signal on the sensor or proximity switch that is used for the position number 1. Anyway, we're gonna start with both edge falling or rising, and we have to page down and enter here which signal we want to record. X10.6 input, X15.4 input, and any other. We can use also the alarms, but let's start with that. So let's go and hit start, and now it's tracing, and let's hit stop. Let me check. Because we don't have the transition. Let me change the trigger. It's gonna be the on status. Let's check that signal is in on. X10.6 is in on. So let's go back, trace, and let's start. So we have now the condition is gonna record during that time. So if we left the falling edge or rising edge, we're gonna use the falling edge. We're gonna leave the machine ready to record if we have a failure on those sensors. Okay.